Imagine standing at the edge of a mountain, looking out across a vast expanse of jungle, mist, and sky, with a single cable stretching so far into the distance that it disappears into the clouds. That is exactly what Vietnam has built, not once, but multiple times, pushing the boundaries of what cable car engineering can achieve. If you like this video, please help to subscribe my channel, as this will help me a lot. Vietnam has quietly become one of the most extraordinary destinations on the planet for anyone who appreciates large-scale infrastructure, breathtaking design, and the kind of bold ambition that turns impossible ideas into reality. For a civil engineer or anyone who simply loves witnessing human ingenuity at its finest, Vietnam's cable car systems are nothing short of a dream come true. The journey begins in the northern highlands in the town of Sa Pascals, where the Sunworld Fancy Pan Legend cable car system redefines what a mountain transit experience can be. This system holds the Guinness World Record for the longest non-stop three-rope cable car in the world, stretching approximately 6,292 meters from the valley floor to the summit of Fancy Pan, which stands at 3,143 meters above sea level and is proudly known as the roof of Indochina. The vertical rise alone is a staggering 1,410 meters, achieved in just under 20 minutes. From an engineering standpoint, the construction of this system required solving problems that had never been encountered before. The terrain is steep, densely forested, and subject to extreme weather conditions, including heavy fog, strong winds, and significant temperature variation. The towers supporting the cables had to be designed and placed with extraordinary precision, with some towers rising over 100 meters in height, just to maintain the correct cable geometry across the uneven landscape. The gondolas themselves are pressurized and climate-controlled, carrying up to 33 passengers at a time, gliding silently above a canopy of ancient trees and cascading waterfalls. Moving south to the city of Da Nang, the Ba Na Hills cable car system presents an entirely different kind of engineering achievement. This system actually holds multiple Guinness World Records, including the longest single-wire cable car and the greatest height difference between the station and the summit. The cable stretches over 5,800 meters, climbing from a lush tropical valley to a French colonial-inspired village, perched at nearly 2,500 meters above sea level. What makes Ba Na Hills particularly fascinating from a structural perspective is the combination of cable car engineering with the broader resort infrastructure built at the summit. Engineers had to design a complete mountaintop environment, including roads, buildings, gardens, and the now iconic Golden Bridge, which appears to be held up by two enormous stone hands emerging from the hillside. That bridge alone required months of detailed structural analysis to ensure it could withstand the wind loads and seismic activity common to the region, while also delivering the visual spectacle that has made it one of the most photographed structures in Southeast Asia. On the southern island of Phu Quoc, the cable car story takes yet another dramatic turn. The Han Tom cable car system holds the Guinness World Record for the longest non-stop cable car over the sea, spanning an incredible 7,199.9 meters across open ocean water between Phu Quoc Island and Han Tom Island. Engineering a cable car over water introduces a completely different set of challenges compared to mountain terrain. The foundations for the support towers had to be constructed directly into the seabed, requiring deep marine piling and specialized underwater construction techniques. The cable system also had to account for the corrosive effects of salt water, high humidity, and the potential impact of tropical storms that regularly pass through the region. The result is a system that carries passengers in large, modern gondolas across shimmering turquoise waters, offering views that feel more like a scene from a film than an everyday transit experience. What ties all of these projects together is not just the scale of the engineering involved, but the vision and determination behind each one. Vietnam has demonstrated that with the right combination of technical expertise, investment, and ambition, even the most challenging natural environments can be connected and made accessible. The civil engineering principles at work across these systems, from foundation design and structural load analysis to materials science and environmental impact management, represent some of the most advanced thinking in the infrastructure world today. Each cable car tells a story of problem solving at altitude, of teams working in remote and difficult conditions to deliver something that millions of people now experience with wonder and amazement. For anyone who has ever looked at a bridge, a tower, or a tunnel and felt that deep sense of admiration for what human hands and minds can build, Vietnam's cable car adventure is an experience that speaks directly to the soul.